it's Shannon. Today I have a Magnolia hack. I actually saw this on their website and thought, oh my gosh, I'm pretty sure the Dollar Tree has all the supplies for that, minus the spray paint. But let me show you the basics that you can get from the Dollar Tree to replicate this Magnolia Market hanging basket. So here is all that you're gonna need. I grabbed 2 of these baskets. They are called hanging wire baskets from the Dollar Tree. They have these chains already on them. And then a bowl. If you can find a white one, I would suggest getting a white one. Mine was out of the white. But here is the UPC or SKU code if you would like to see what size that I bought while you're in the store. And then the only other thing I grabbed, which is from Walmart, is this Krylon spray paint, and I got it in the color Brilliant Aluminum. Now that everything is dry, I'm gonna put it together with some floral wire. Now I already had this, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this, but if you're gonna go out and purchase supplies, it will be to your benefit to buy it in silver already, but I'm going to use this wire to attach the baskets together, and then I'm just gonna spray paint it so that way it matches. I'm just gonna give it another coat of spray paint to cover up that green wire and then all the little spots that got nicked while I was putting the wire on. Down about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and cut off the rest. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains hanging down, and then I'm gonna remove the clip that was on the bottom, and I'm gonna replace that onto the shorter chain now. So it'll look like that. So that way our hook will hang much lower from the top. Cutting off the 6th chain down. I'm gonna take this chain and I'm gonna attach it to the top of our circle here.